Hello, welcome in social studies class. Today's our chapter is 11, how our villages are run. To govern a country means to run it and to look after its people. To govern means to run, control or look after and provide basic public facilities like education and healthcare to people. Alright. The people who run a country form its government. Now, what is government? Government means a group of people who look after the welfare of the people of a country and its division. Divisions means different parts or regions. Okay. Our country is run by the central government. It looks after things like the armed forces and the railways. Armed forces are a country's army, navy, and air force. Okay. Now, but our country is very large and has more than a billion people. The central government cannot look after all the needs of so many people. So, each state has its own government, which looks after things like hospitals, electric supply, and law and order. But every state has hundreds of villages and towns. It is not possible for the state government to know what the people of every village and town need. That is why villages and towns have their own local government. Did you get it? That all of us need some basic things such as drinking water, electricity, roads, transport, schools, colleges, and hospitals. These are called civic amenities or public utility services. In our country, the government provides these civic amenities to the people. The government works at three levels. First is center, that is central government. Second is state, that is state government. And third one is local, that is local government. The government that works at the local level, like in cities and villages, is known as the local government. In a city, a municipal council or a municipal corporation works to look after the welfare of the people. In a village, a Gram Sabha and Gram Panchayat look after the welfare of the people. In a village, the Gram Panchayat provides civic amenities to the people. Now, what is Gram Panchayat? The local government of a village is called a Gram Panchayat. In the past, a panchayat used to be a group of 5 village elders who decided matters in the village. Now, panchayats usually have more than 5 members. At least one third of the members have to be women. The head of the Gram Panchayat is called the Sarpanch, Pradhan, or Mukhiya. Alright, now how a Gram Panchayat is formed? Okay, every large village or a group of small villages has a Gram Sabha. Villagers who are adults means those who are 18 or 18 plus, are members of the Gram Sabha. They meet to discuss village matters. They are the ones who elect the members of the Gram Panchayat. Elect means choose. They also elect the Sarpanch. For elections, the Gram Panchayat's area is divided into a number of smaller areas. The people in each area vote to elect a member of the Gram Panchayat. To vote means to indicate one's choice in an election. To do this, each voter means someone who votes, is given a piece of paper with a list of the people who want to be elected from that area. This paper is called ballot. Every voter marks his or her choice and drops the paper into a box. The box is called the ballot box. In some places, a voting machine is used instead of paper ballots. Actually, not in some places, but now in all places we used voting machine. That is called EVM. EVM is used to simplify the voting process and do away with paper ballots. EVM is electronic voting machine. Alright. At the end of voting, the votes are counted. Whoever gets the largest number of votes wins. The members of a Gram Panchayat are chosen for 5 years. Elections are held again after that. That means the villagers vote again to choose a new panchayat. Now, what a gram panchayat does? It means functions of gram panchayat. As I gave brief description earlier that the gram panchayat looks after the needs of the people of the village. It does this with the help of the people. Okay? First, it helps the villagers get water. For this, it sets up tube wells, has wells and tanks dug, and also looks after these. Second, it tries to keep the village clean. Third, it helps to set up and run health centers in our village. Next, many people in our country are illiterate. Illiterate means they cannot read and write. To teach the villagers to read and write, the Gram Panchayat may set up and run a primary school for children and an adult education center where adults can study after work. Next, the Gram Panchayat gets the villagers together to build roads and buildings. It helps farmers get seeds and fertilizers. Fertilizers are chemicals that are mixed with the soil to help plants grow. Next, in villages which have electricity, the Gram Panchayat looks after street lighting. Next, the Gram Panchayat tries to settle fights between villagers, and it also keeps a list of the babies who are born and the people who die in the village. This helps the government know about the population. Population means all the people who live in a place. Okay. Now one question is, from where does the Gram Panchayat get money to do all this work? Here is your answer. It gets money from the state government. It also gets money from taxes on houses, shops and fairs in the village. A tax is the money people pay to the local, state or central government. The Gram Panchayat gets money from fees too. When the villagers sell things like land and cattle, they pay a fee to the Gram Panchayat. The Gram Sabha checks how the Gram Panchayat spends its money. Now here is a summary that what we learn from this chapter. A Gram Panchayat is the local government of a village. The adults of a village are members of its Gram Sabha. They vote to choose the members and the head of the Gram Panchayat. Members of the Gram Panchayat are elected for a period of 5 years, after which elections are held again. The Gram Panchayat looks after the needs of the people of the village. The Gram Panchayat gets money from the state government and from taxes and fees paid by the people. Your chapter is over. Please read the chapter. If you have any doubt, then please DM. Okay, bye. Take care.